Hi, this is Darcy from Lumos Learning. Today, I will demonstrate how to use Lumos Guided Practice to help students in grade 4 develop conceptual understanding for specific topics in math. The Lumos Guided Practice is an intelligent, artificial intelligence-powered conversational system that offers students with individualized practice in an empathetic environment. Like a teacher, it carefully learns from students' proficiency data and significantly simplifies the user's experience. It also offers lessons that are precisely tailored to the student's unique needs and provides interactive voice and visual aids to motivate and engage learners. Let's dive right into Lumos Guided Practice and see it in action. Once you open up the free Guided Practice module on the Lumos Learning website, you'll need to select the grade and the subject for which you want to practice more questions. Here are the domains for grade 4 math. For today's demonstration though, I will be choosing the domain here at the top called Operations in Algebraic Thinking. All of the questions are standards aligned, dynamic, and support independent practice. Let's select the first one. Simply click on the play button here to get started.
The McGregor family paid for several repairs to their home. The repairs are as follows. For fence, $43, kitchen sink, $69, front door, $22 and deck, $63. What was the total cost of all the repairs?
The Lumos assistant reads out the question. If you are not sure of the answer and need some extra support, click on the hint button over here.
To find the total cost of repairs, add the cost of all the individual repairs, 43 plus 69 plus 22 plus 63.
Nice! With the help of this hint, you can try arriving at an answer. To respond via voice, simply click on the mic or enter your answer here in the text box and click Submit.
It is 197. This is how I got the answer. 43 plus 69 plus 22 plus 63. Would you like to try another problem similar to this?
Uh-oh, looks like your answer is wrong and you need some more practice. You can refer to the detailed explanation over here. Let's practice some more questions.
The McGregor family paid for several repairs to their home. The repairs are as follows. For fence, $43, kitchen sink, $65, front door, $82 and deck, $28. What was the total cost of all the repairs?
That's a right answer. You rock! What's more, at the top right you have this settings icon here, which gives you access to the volume control slider to increase or decrease volume for Lumos Assistant's voice. With these other buttons, you can hit pause, replay, or mute and control the playback speed of the audio narration. Isn't this super cool and easy? I hope you loved Lumos Guided Practice. Simply head over to the Lumos Learning website, select grade and subject of your choice, and try it for free.